Amen.
People too come, people too much. People too much. Please leave the bag.
Use the other one again. The last digit, so like you pack those pieces. You should calm down. Calm down first, yes.
Last 6 digits. 824.
368.
368. This is the browser. Too fast. You are even saying okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Make sure the entire face is in the frame. Calm down.
Yes. Okay. Did the rag take around? Let's go another time. No, I'm not going
So far so good. It's very smooth and a very seamless exercise, and yes, people have been coming out and trooping out to vote. The voter turnout has been very good, very, very good. So yes, we're waiting upon results. Yes, that's it.
What are you expecting at the end of the day? Will you trace the process at the end of the day after the election?
With what I've seen here in these two units, yes, I will trust the process. But we'll wait on the outcome of the full elections, and I'm sure, God willing, I trust the people of Ovia even more than the process. So I know that the people will vote for me, and they will also defend that.
Yes, I just completed the casting of my vote. So far, you can see there's mammoth crowd in most of the centers across Ovia Federal Constituency. The process is peaceful, and I believe that the overall exercise is going to be free, fair, and credible.
Well, I just voted. You can see the frustration. The BIVAS is just too slow. It takes a lot of time before you can log in. It's a big problem. So I think INEC need to look into this. Well, so far so good. The fillers I'm getting were good.
When I got to this place, I found that it was very easy for me to vote because After doing the accreditation, I just voted and I'm about going home now. The center is a center that is easy to check for names because the papers are being placed where one can get used to their names and number, and that it is a peaceful place. It's very fair and free and peaceful. The process is very cordial, where we expect that God will do His will and give us our chosen person. It's Ikifa Frank Obehi.
And so far it's been good. Accreditation has been going on well, and people are coming out to vote. You know, it's a by-election to fill in the seats that His Excellency Distinguished Senator Gov Okpebholo left. So the people are here to elect their own candidate. And I think everything is going on well. INEC is doing great. The agents are here, and the people are coming out to vote. So far, so good, and we expect it to be so.
I give you now.
What he's saying now is different from what you are saying. I want to log in now. If you look at it now, look at it. It's zero now. There's no what? There's no record down. Hello, look. I get it now. Look at it. PU, the polling unit zero. Look at the account. I want to log in now. I get it.